Welcome back to my channel today.
It's not your channel. It's mommy's channel.
Oh.
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my mommy channel.
Okay, we're getting ready.
Go to the hotel.
Yeah, we're gonna be staying at Garden Place Hotel. So now we're gonna go pick up my cake. Well, it's gonna be a little cake, so I'll show you guys later. And Josiah's gonna stay with me. It's just gonna be us two celebrating mommy.
And look at my hat.
Okay, we are getting ready to go now.
Yeah, but mommy don't want to let me do toothpaste.
He wants a new toothpaste. I told him I'll get it tomorrow. Now he's angry or sad. I don't know. But
Angry.
he said he's angry, but we're on our way to the hotel now. So see you in a little bit. I'll give you a preview of not preview, but I'll give you a tour of our hotel once we get there. It looks pretty nice. I'm not doing anything big because, Corona is going on. So just want to have fun by myself. Well, with Josiah. Say hi, Josiah. Just want to relax out of the house. Yeah, and just have a good time. We're gonna celebrate and have fun. that's it for the hotel and room tour. Now I'm filling up this jacuzzi so I can relax and have me some me time. Oh yeah, I'm drinking a margarita with there's ice in there and some pineapples, hence the pineapple on the side of the cup. Yeah, so the water is nice and warm, and I'm just gonna relax and keep on showing you my night. We got room service. Just want to say hi. Got fries and some chicken wings. It's 11:33, so we are waiting half an hour before we do my birthday cake cut. It's 12 o'clock, so it is officially December 1st. It's my birthday. They ask me what I do and who I do it for, and how I come up with this up in the studio. All I want for my birthday.
Mommy. Happy birthday. Oh, Mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Mommy.
Ooh, happy birthday to me. Thank you, Josiah, for singing me happy birthday. Hey, Katie. Come on, Josiah. Come on.
Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilonoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilonoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuyana, ilondoloze, 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 zunangishi.
Okay, Josiah, good morning. Gonna go see what they got for breakfast. They said it's just a pick up and go breakfast, so we're gonna check it out. And just like that, it snowed overnight. Anyways, our stay here was awesome. We enjoyed our jacuzzi room, nice and spacious. I give this hotel a 3 only because it's a little outdated and it could use some renovation. But the staff was awesome. The receptionist catered to our needs. And we had a great time. So see you on the next video.